How to replace your lost or stolen credit card on the Bank of America app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Tech. In this video, I'll show you how you can replace if your credit card has been lost or stolen. So make sure to watch the video till the end. The easiest way to actually replace a stolen card is via the mobile banking itself. So log into the mobile banking application, and then after that, tap on the account that actually requires a new card. So once you tap on that account, scroll down and tap on the option that says replace credit card. As you tap on the replace credit card, in order to verify your identity, you'll be asked for an authorization code. Confirm that the information is correct and how you would like to receive the code. Then just tap on the button that says send code from the bottom right. Then enter the authorization code you received and then just tap on the continue button. And once you do so, tell them why you need a new card from the menu options. Selecting the lost stolen reason will result in the closure of your credit card. A new card will be mailed with a different card number, expiration date and security code. And if a credit card has multiple authorized users, tap the name who needs a replacement card. If the credit card only has a single user, the name of the selection page is actually not displayed. Confirm your information and then just tap on the place order button to receive a new card, and it should arrive in 7 to 10 business days. That's all it takes to go ahead and then replace a lost or stolen credit card on the Bank of America app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.